Hello class, I hope you're having a great day. Yesterday you had the opportunity to watch two videos, and they were two different styles of drumming. One a Japanese style, taiko, using the taiko style, and another an American style from a group called the Blue Man Group. They are totally different in performance as well as styles of drumming. Today you're going to see a video that takes those two differing styles and they blend them together for one performance and one piece of music. I'd like you to take the opportunity as you're watching it to come up with things that you really enjoyed about the video and maybe some things that you didn't like as much. And we're going to share after the video. So watch carefully and closely. Have a great day.